Okay, install's done on all 4 corners now. I was gonna take the car out and wash it so you could see what it looks like all washed up, but there's ridiculous wind outside this morning, so I'm just gonna have to take the video how it is so you can see how much they hang down. Still a good amount of clearance for bumps or anything. Even if the car was lowered an inch, there'd still be plenty of clearance, but really good protection up the side of the fender now for stone chips and everything. If we go over to the other side, it's the same, nice and straight. Hangs down the exact same amount. See the hardware, it looks nice and clean in there. Same on the front. You can see the logo hangs down just under there. Hardware is the same on the front. Same thing over here. So there you go.